Welcome back. I wanted to share with you what I do for I guess a calorie reducer is what I want to say during the day. We all do the shakes, the simple shakes. But I went to the local grocer and I found this bottle. It's got the rings on it. And the rings are there for a reason for me. You see, I've put a mark on it there. That's where I'm going to fill it up with I'm going to use 1% milk, but you can use 2 or whole. Here's the powdered formula I will be using, and of course, go by your directions. This one here, particular one, it's a strawberry, and it does recommend 1 scoop. Okay, I've already added the milk, the formula, the powder, and then I went up and marked 2 rings above that first ring that I filled up with milk. Go up 2 more rings and I put another mark and I filled it up with water, filtered water from the refrigerator. And then I added ice and I shook it well. So that right there will even dilute that milk even more, but it'll also fill you up a little bit more, and we can all use water, so it's just another way for me to incorporate a little water into my diet. But the flavor of the shake is so great that you don't even miss, any of the full flavored milks. So I just thought I'd let you know that's what I do every day. Thank you for watching.